It's pizza, but not as we know it. There's no doughy crust, but it's got a pizza top. Could it be a pizzata? Whatever you decide to call it, it's quick, easy, and delicious. Start off by getting the chips underway. Parboil for 3 to 4 minutes and drain well. Spray with low-calorie cooking spray and bake for 20 to 25 minutes in a hot oven, turning halfway through until crisp and golden. Beat the eggs with the oregano and some seasoning and cook over a low heat for 4 to 5 minutes or until almost set. Transfer to the oven or grill and cook for a few minutes until the top is set and golden. Spread with passata and scatter over the toppings. We used classic pizza veggies, but choose any free foods that take your fancy. Add the sliced olives and top with the mozzarella and a little more oregano. Pop it back under the heat until bubbling. Twist over some black pepper, slice into 4 and serve with the chips.